Everybody push your hands up. 2 fingers in the skies. Everybody go down. Go down. Move.
We can boogie through the night. Thank the Lord that I'm alive. 2 fingers in the sky. Kunja gumi to the side.
Go down.
We can boogie through the night.
Turn down. Go.
If you want to, nobody can stop you.
Everybody put your hands up. Or put your hands up. At the back I see you. In the middle I see you. Follow me in. 1, 2, 3, go up. Go down. Go. Go down. Me corner you.
My hands, your waist.
My hand. Again. Go. Hey.
My lips, your lips, they touch. We kiss
Asante sana. Africa, make some noise.
Come to the dance floor.
DJ. Asante sana.
Thank you. Wapi makofi ya good man. All right. I want DJ, give us a song that will help us lead our dignitaries who are going to their stages. We have the Deputy President going to the right there. We have spouse to the Deputy President. There's a stage right at the back there. We'll have His Excellency main here. So DJ and Goodaman, as we lead them there, we'll have His Excellency the President of Kenya remain. His Excellency the Deputy President to the right. We have the spouse to the Deputy President to the back. So those who are leading them, kindly take them as Goodaman gives us one more song before we call for a prayer. Goodaman, twende kazi.
Fantastic. Make some noise for His Excellency, the President. Everybody put your hands up. Clap your hands. 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 Everybody go. Wave. 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 Kama choir wote. Choir dance. Choir dance. Choir dance. Choir dance. Choir dance. Choir dance. Choir. One more time. Everybody choir dance. Choir dance. Choir dance. Choir dance. Choir dance. Choir dance. Mkono moja juu ya right. Call the rain. Call the rain. To the other side. Africa, Nairobi, Kenya. Everybody. 1, 2, 3, follow me. Turn the sky. Turn the sky. Turn the sky. 1, 2. One last time, make some noise for Africa. The last one, eh? The last one. The last one. Everybody put your hands up. And then follow my lead, right? In the count of 1, 2, mikono juu wote. Mabega. Kiuno, ruka, twende, juu, mabega, kiuno, juu, twende, juu, mabega, kiuno, ruka. Everybody go jump. Everybody mabega, kiuno. Are you tired? No, mikono juu. Twende, 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 ruka. Everybody go up. Mabega, kiuno, jump, jump. Mabega, kiuno, jump. One last time. Twende, jump. Mabega, kiuno, DJ. One more time. Make some noise for every young person here. Make some noise for Nairobi. Make some noise for Kenya. Make some noise for Africa.
Come on, let's give it up for Gooderman. Makofi ya Gooderman. Wazi. Your Excellency, the President, hapa Nairobi. Hebu tuwafundishe kitu moja. Your Excellency, I want us to teach them one thing. Ile inaitwa mbwekse. Hebu tupige mbwekse kila mtu. Mbwekse ndio hiyo. Mbwekse ya Nairobi, mbwekse. Your Excellency, I'm sure you'll agree with me. After that session, we need to start with a word of prayer so that God can forgive us. Allow me to welcome the two young people who are going to lead us in a prayer.